Twitter is one of President Donald Trump's favorite ways of communicating, but does that communication have to go two ways? And does that apply to politicians other than the president? Pat Poblete in our Washington bureau has a story of that free speech debate.
A federal judge ruled that President Donald Trump violated the First Amendment rights of 7 Twitter users when he blocked them from viewing his real Donald Trump Twitter account. Do those same restrictions apply to members of Congress? Experts disagree. Representative Paul Gosar of Prescott is currently being sued by the Arizona chapter of the American Civil Liberties Union for blocking 2 constituents on social media. Due to the pending lawsuit, Gosar's office declined our request for comment. ACLU attorney Darrell Hill says that Gosar has infringed on the rights of his clients to express opposing viewpoints. He believes that the First Amendment prohibits public officials from suppressing speech on the basis of the speaker's viewpoint, and that the decision regarding President Trump applies to all public officials. But Elliot Mintzberg, senior fellow at People for the American Way, is a little more skeptical.
There are some certainly unique things to the president's Twitter account that may or may not apply to what Representative Gosar has done.
He says the judge's ruling is narrowly defined to President Trump. Mintzberg believes U.S. District Court in Arizona could rule differently in Gosar's case than its counterpart in New York did in Trump's. In a social media landscape which can quickly turn toxic, it raises the question of where the line of acceptable communication is drawn. Longtime political communications strategist John Randall believes that as public figures, members of Congress shouldn't shy away from public discourse.
We need to make sure that we're embracing it, but that we're also trying to encourage debate that moves the conversation forward.
While Gosar has subsequently unblocked his constituents on social media, the White House did not respond to our questions about whether the president has done the same. In Washington, Pat Poblete, Cronkite News.